Hi everyone, welcome back to Glam It Up with Glama. Today I just have a couple of unboxings to do. I have an Ipsy subscription that I want to show you, and I have a Beauty Box 5. But I'm going to start off with Ipsy because I'm so excited about this makeup bag this week. It's one of my favorite patterns ever. Ta-da! I love it. I am in love with houndstooth patterns. I have socks in houndstooth patterns. I have a blouse, and I just got this last week. I wanted to make a video on it a lot sooner than now. I even forgot what's inside of it actually. So it'll be a surprise for both of us. Because with me and my memory, I've already forgotten what's in here. I think there might have been a nail polish. I'm not sure. But anyway, we'll find out together. And just recently on my Made with Love by Glama crochet channel, I did a houndstooth pattern, how to crochet a houndstooth pattern, and I loved it. And I couldn't figure out why I did that, but now it's probably because I had this houndstooth makeup bag in the back of my mind. So I wanted to hurry up and go and get these houndstooth patterns that I crocheted. So just to show you that I did do this tutorial on how to crochet a houndstooth pattern. If y'all are interested, go to Made with Love by Glama. And I teach you how to crochet. Whether you're a newbie, a seasoned crocheter, whatever, you'll always learn something there at that channel. So yeah, like I said, pink's my favorite color. And black is really hard to see on camera, so I didn't want to show them with my black and white. So I showed this as an example of what they were going to be learning, but I actually taught them while making the pink and white one. I love it. I love houndstooth. Yes, I do. Awesome. Alrighty guys. Anyway, let's look inside. And you know what? Pink's my favorite color, so it's houndstooth and pink. So this is definitely going to be in my, now I can't see what's in here because of the light. Okay, it's called Skin, S-K-I-N-N. Really? Wow, yeah, it's an eyeliner. And I don't know what color it is. So I think it's blue. I can't tell because, like I said, that light is so bright. So anyway, I've got a new eyeliner. Let me see if I can open it up. Yeah, it's blue. I can see now. I can see that right there. That has a touch of blue on it, so it must be blue. Oh, or is it? Let me see. Let me do a little swatch. Ooh, it's so creamy and buttery. Yeah, you probably can't see. If I hold it too close, it gets washed out, but it's a nice blue. Ooh. I love this. Oh, hey, I just recently did an eyebrow routine video on here, and I used my It Cosmetics Brow Power eyebrow pencil, and I didn't realize how much this actually cost. They sent me a $24 sample, or a $24 product in an Ipsy bag, because I'm thinking I love this so much, so I went online to It Cosmetics to go see what it's going to cost for me to replace it. $24. I mean, that might not be a lot to y'all, but to me, that is worth the whole year's worth of subscription to Ipsy, because it's like $100 for a whole year's worth of Ipsy bags and makeup products, and usually they just send you little tiny sample size. This is a full size, and it's retailed at $24. So if I want to replace it, that's what I'm going to have to pay. So to me, $24 in an Ipsy bag is pretty good, because that's like a quarter of the whole year's subscription. Okay, so I got a little eyeliner pencil, and I forget what's in here. Oh yeah, nail polish. I was right, there is nail polish in here. Yeah, let me see. Comes in a little baggie, which is really nice, because if it's gonna tear, if it's gonna spill, it'll spill into the baggie and not into my nice little houndstooth makeup bag. Oh God, I can't see because of the, you have no idea how bright that light is. I think it's called, what a cute name. It's called Mr. Pookies. And the brand is A-I-L-A. I don't know if that's Isla, but yeah. Mr. Pookies. I love that name. Okay, and what else do I have in here? I have Ultra Mild Face Wash. Okay, and ooh, Hikari. So the blush that I'm always using in my videos is by Hikari, and I got it in one of my Ipsy subscriptions. So this is the Hikari blush that I got, and it's a full size. It's a full size blush. And so now I've got a Hikari what? What is it? A lip gloss, it says. So let's look at it. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Hikari, is there a name on it? Probably, but I cannot see. Paris, leave that kitty alone. Leave hashtag alone. I can't see right now because the light is just way too bright. Okay, so see if I can do a sample. Ooh, it's a nice, deep, rich color. Wow, I want to know the name so I can tell y'all the name. But I don't know. Can you see the sample? Yeah, I think you'll be able to. Quit looking at the light so you can see the color. Let me see. Oh, it's called Merlot. M-E-R-L-O-T. Merlot. Yay! Found the name for y'all. So that's in there. What else? One more item. Volumizer. So it says, so it's for your hair. It's a volumizer for your hair. I've got a lot of hair products. So the things that I'm the most excited about is the actual bag, and the nail polish, and the eyeliner, and the lip gloss. So yeah, you usually always get 5 items in your bag, but yeah, I can't wait to put this bag in my purse. It's going to stay in my purse all the time, and I have a black and white purse, so that's what's really cool, is it's going to match perfectly. Let me show you my purse. It's a Christian Siriano bag. I love it, and I've got the matching wallet. Yay! But now I'm going to have a houndstooth makeup bag. Yay! Awesome! Okay. So that's my Ipsy subscription. And, all right, on to the beauty box. Okay. So this is August's beauty box. Oh, more lip gloss. That's right. I remember now. And it's real glittery. It's by OFRA. Ofra? I don't know. I can't. No, leave the box. You can't get in that box, kitty cat. The cat's trying to get into this tiny box. So I got a lip gloss. Let's see what... You're going to fall. You're falling. Kitty cat, you are crazy today. Oh, that's so pretty. It's like a brownish, sparkly. It's got like gold glitter in it. It's so pretty. It's a more natural look. Ooh, and this is the nail polish I was thinking about. What color is it? It's called Never Ending Fairy Tale. Ooh, what a cute name. And the product is by Nana Coco. Yeah, it's a Nana Coco nail polish. And I got some samples. Love Life Skin Restorative Night Cream. So 2 night creams and a recovery serum, intensive recovery serum, 2 of those. So 4 little packets of that. And I got these, what do you call them? I don't know what you would call them. They're like these little tattoos, these little gold and silver tattoos that you see a lot of girls putting them on here and putting them on different parts of their arms and stuff. So I've got a gold and a silver. So I'll give one to my daughter. I think she likes gold. So I'll share these with my daughter. She's a cashier, and so I think it'll look really pretty while she's cashiering to have gold stuff or silver stuff on her. So I think that's it. But I almost feel like there was something else in there, but I think I already took it out and used it, but I can't remember what it was. Because usually there's 4 or 5 items of these too, and there's only 2, 3, 4. Well, this could have been it. I don't know, but I've got a feeling that I've already used something from in here. I don't know what. Anyway, so that is that. Finally, I can use this stuff because I don't like to use them until after I show them all to you. Because I don't want to show you a half-used product. All right. So that is it, guys. That is it for my 2 unboxings. I tried to make it short and sweet. I will go ahead and say goodbye for now, and maybe I'll start a new video and I'll show you what's in my purse, what's in my bag. Oh my God, I don't know if I want to do that though because it's filled, but I will. I'll stop this recording, I'll say goodbye, and then I'll start a new one with an what's in my bag video. Alrighty guys, I love you. Don't forget to let me know down below in your comments what you might want me to film next. Any makeup, any fashion, anything. Let me know. All right, I love you. Bye. Mwah!